Oh, nice save, Chris. Wow, well done. DJI RC, what is this thing? How focused am I? Pretty focused. Focused.
Oh, is it landing?
Yeah. I was just trying to get it closer to you. Hold on, here comes an Asplung. Is Asplung coming this way? No, he's going that way, okay. Is that ruining the shot?
No.
All right, well, that was easy acro. Now you want to try difficult acro?
Ooh. Oh, okay. That was on the concrete.
And here's what happens when you let Chris fly your drone. Don't let him do it. He'll throw it into a rock. Actually, it was me. Be a great time for a lens replacement kit, but some dummy left it in Canada. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and hope you enjoyed. Where did my brain go?